new day. I feel so much better, so much more rested. It's sunny out, still cold, but sunny out. I'm gonna go run a few errands, get the grocery pickup, come back, we'll do a grocery haul. I'm gonna get on with the rest of my to-do list today. So let's get going. So I'm out, I'm hungry, I'm getting second breakfast. I'm getting McDonald's, which I know, like, oh, you shouldn't be eating that, whatever. Everything in moderation, y'all. I've gotten a lot of comments about, like, oh, you shouldn't do this, you should do this, and I'm like, everything in moderation, like, everything. Well, McDonald's isn't gonna hurt the baby, especially if the baby wants McDonald's. Anyway, I usually get a #1, which I'm not out for McDonald's breakfast often, but I usually would get a #1, which is a egg McMuffin meal. They're my absolute favorite, but baby doesn't want that. Baby wants a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So I am going to eat that and watch my friend Cambria's vlog that she has out today, her family vlog channel, while I eat. And then I'm gonna go pick up groceries, and I still have to go to Sam's Club because we have to go 2 places to get our cat food, our cat and dog food, because they're just so spoiled. We get our dry food from PetSmart, and we get our their wet food from Sam's Club, and I have to pick up a couple things from there anyway. So I'm gonna do that, and then going home and getting stuff done today. I need to get stuff done today. So I'm here at Walmart, and the app wouldn't let me check in, so I had to call, which I actually don't like using the phone. I'm definitely, I guess, a millennial when it comes to that. I prefer online ordering, text, that kind of thing, than calling somebody. I don't understand that at all. Obviously, I'm a mom, so I do call for like appointments and school and all the important things I need to, but I just really hate like cold calling people type of situation. But it was very easy. Just called, said, hey, I can't check in through the app, and they're gonna bring it right out. So it wasn't too much of a pain in the butt, other than I had to use my voice to say I'm here and what spot I'm in. This is gonna have to be my new aisle when I come in Sam's Club. So I'm going to share what I got from Sam's Club. I got these Blue Bunny mini swirls. These looked really good. I got some thin and crispy pepperoni pizzas for the kids. I love these mashed potatoes. You know, if I can make them from home, you know, homemade from scratch, whatever, but these taste really good, especially if you doctor them up with like some roasted garlic, some sour cream, some heavy cream. Like if you kind of doctor them up, they taste really, really good. The cat food, dog food, always can use some corn, some silverware, and I wanted to get a new cozy blanket for the couch because the dog like took over the other one, and this one's like so soft and fresh. And then Walmart, my son wanted the big bags of this kind. They didn't have any at Walmart, so I knew Sam's had it in the mini size, so I went ahead and got a package of these, and these will probably end up upstairs in the loft. We are going to be doing Swedish meatballs, chicken enchiladas, a sausage, penne pasta, crock-pot chicken, and rice, and a pizza night this week. So I got some tomatoes because I've been craving BLTs really, really bad. So some tomatoes, some onions, another tomato, some eggs. Finally got these Marchand ramen chicken. That's my daughter's favorite, and just in case they didn't have them, I picked up these creamy chicken, like, individual packets. Egg noodles. Egg noodles are for the Swedish meatballs. Of course, got to get some fries, some tater tots, and I wanted to get some easy breakfast meal ideas, so I thought that these might be good for the kids and for myself. I got some beef consomme. and beef broth for the Swedish meatballs. I got this for the enchiladas, some refried beans for enchilada night, enchilada sauce, some wide egg noodles for the Swedish meatballs. Always need pasta. So I got some turkey from the deli, and I've been really craving a super bird as well. I don't know if you've ever got that from Denny's. It's basically a grilled turkey and cheese with tomato and bacon on it. So that sounded amazing. Some taco seasoning, some Gouda, some basil, and then a bunch of Lunchables because my daughter likes to snack on those. Some Scrapple, bacon, lettuce, Fiesta blend, Italian style cheese, some Activia because I'm pregnant and I need some help in that area. Frozen chicken breast, some Fun Nuggets, some bananas, raw chicken breast, ground beef, Italian sausage, ground pork. The ground pork and the ground beef are for the Swedish meatballs. In the back, we have 2 different things of Hot Pockets for my son, 2 more pizzas, some pizza rolls. We were out of orange juice. I prefer the pulp. The kids do not like pulp, so we compromise and we get pulp free. My son likes this Fairlife chocolate milk, oat milk for my husband, heavy whipping cream for the Swedish meatball sauce. Of course, always some milk. And I've really been enjoying snacking on these pepperoni and cheese trays. It's about the same as if I had gotten individual cheese, pepperoni, and crackers. So why not just get it easy in the tray already? Some tortillas for the enchiladas, some potatoes for mashed potatoes, some bread. I really like this bread. It's really soft and it's really thick. It's really good for like grilled cheeses. These I like to keep by my bed because I get hungry in the middle of the night, and these help me with, a little protein, a little carbs. And then I also ordered a big bag of these, but they substituted 3. I got some salt and vinegar chips. We got some of these barbecued snapped, some sour cream snapped, some mini pretzels, and some more of the sour cream. So for tonight, I think I'm gonna do the BLTs just because I'm really, that sounds amazing to me. And then Friday night, the Swedish meatballs so that we can have leftovers for a couple of nights over the weekend. So I really did had to stock up on a lot of snacks for the kids because teenagers, they each add a house and home.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
We're not Apple people, we're Samsung people usually. I've had a Galaxy forever. I think I had a Motorola before that, Razr or something, but we've always been the Galaxy or Note smartphone family. But I have to rave on Apple, okay? My son, who's 16 going on 17, oh, you're gonna hear Madeline playing her saxophone. They're doing school right now. Sammy's napping and I'm taking a break. He got a cell phone in 5th or 6th grade, which to me felt early, but nowadays you do what's best for your family. But for us, that felt early. But where we lived in a small town. He could walk down to the park with his friends. He could go ride his bike all over to the little store. We had a very kind of small town vibe where we felt safe that he could ride around and everything as long as he had a phone. So I had ordered the cheapest kind of throwaway smartphone. I think it was a Motorola G5 Plus or something like that. And it lasted a very long time. But last year when he turned 16, he's like, "Mom, all my friends have iPhones. I would really like an iPhone." He had proven himself that he was responsible enough to maybe get a phone upgrade. And of course, COVID hit and just things went crazy. So my husband's work sent one of their older phones for him to kind of try out for a little bit. Well, that lasted a year. We never got around to actually purchasing him a phone. But I think it was an iPhone 7, so it was like very dated phone at this point. Nothing he did, it just finally quit working. And that had been a phone that had been used by several other people prior to him as well, so it wasn't like new when he got it. The screen was in perfect condition, the case was in perfect, it like worked, but it just had no signal anymore and just you couldn't update it. So he's starting school in 2 weeks, hopefully. And I just really want to make sure that he has a phone with him. I think it's important. He's going to be getting his license soon, so he needs a phone. So I went ahead and ordered him the iPhone 11 straight from Apple, because I looked on Amazon and I looked through our local phone provider, and just like there were outrageous prices. But when I went on the Apple website, they were, for a new phone, not refurbished or anything, they were not unreasonable. And I ordered that yesterday and it got delivered today. I'm so impressed. And we do not have an Apple store local. Like it's an hour and a half away, I think. So we couldn't like go in the Apple store. I don't even know if you can go in them anymore. But we're not Apple people, but he really wanted to be able to iMessage and all that stuff with his friends. But I'm very, very impressed that I was able to order him a new phone yesterday and he already has it. So I think that's really cool. I don't know anything about Apple, so he's just gonna have to learn and troubleshoot and figure out that process. I just always grew up with PC and Android phones, so I don't know. It makes me think a little bit better of Apple. So I figured it was time to do another baby bump analysis. I do feel like it's getting bigger and firmer. I definitely had some jiggle before. You know, I'm not a six-pack ab type of girl, but here is the 16 weeks. I feel like it's bigger. I don't know, it's hard to tell in video, but it's definitely firmer and feeling more like babies in there. I cannot wait to feel kicks and things like that. I haven't felt any flutters, or I don't know, it's hard to tell whether it's it's gas or if it's, you know, your tummy rumbling or whatever. Right now, there's definitely not been a time where I was like, ooh, that's baby. One morning I did wake up and it was like a hard little knot like right here, and I was like, ooh, is that like, what's that? And I think it's just because my bladder was full, and I was like, okay, well, I definitely felt something. But it wasn't a kick, it was just like firm. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it's hard to get used to, you know, my changing shape, but it's all good and it's all worth it. Oh, my dreams are coming true. I'm getting ready to make the most delicious BLT, and I figured I would share with you how I make my sandwich. Okay, number 1, Duke's mayo. Number 2, I like mine on toast. And this is just that Sara Lee artisan bread that I got in my grocery haul. And you gotta have some good old bacon. I'm doing breakfast for dinner for the kids because they don't like BLTs because they're weird. So I figured since I'm doing a BLT, they can just have some eggs and some hash browns with theirs. So I load up my bacon. I like to put the lettuce next to the bacon. And then I'm going to put 2 slices of tomatoes, top it off, and voila, the perfect bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Delicious! You guys know what time it is. It is time to say goodbye to the vlog. It's the end of the vlog. Let me know if you guys enjoy the meal planning and the grocery hauls and all the cooking that I've included. It's not all fancy meals, but you know, real life, real dinners for this busy mama and her family. I love constructive criticism. I love, you know, like, no more grocery vlogs, or yeah, more of this, yeah, more of that. I don't mind that at all. I hope you guys have a good weekend. We are supposed to get our vanity delivered for our powder room, which I'm so excited about, but I have to order a custom top for that, so it's still going to be a little bit before we can get started on the powder room makeover. But I've ordered a mirror, I've ordered a faucet, I've ordered new hardware and all kinds of fun stuff are in there, and we're going to do new tile. Like, this is going to be like a almost top to bottom new powder room, so I'm very, very excited about that. Maybe I'll show you guys some sneak peeks on this channel, you know, before you see it over on my main channel. So that would be a little fun. Like, if you watch here, you'll get to see, like, obviously more behind the scenes than over there. But hope everyone has a great day, a great weekend, and I will see ya.